In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exit full screen faster in Chrome. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can use it right away. First, open Google Chrome and head to Google. Any web page will do, but Google's homepage is a clean place to see what changes when full screen is on and off. Now, to enter full screen, press the F11 key on your keyboard. You'll see the tabs, address bar, and bookmarks instantly disappear, and the web page will expand to fill your entire screen. This is Chrome's built-in full screen mode. It's useful when you want fewer distractions or more room for content. Depending on your system, you might briefly see a message near the top edge confirming that Chrome is now in full screen. Here's the key tip to exit full screen faster. Press F11 again. That's it. F11 is a toggle. One tap turns full screen on and one tap turns it off. The moment you press it the second time, your tabs, address bar, and bookmarks reappear, and you're right back to your normal browsing view. If you ever find yourself stuck and can't see your controls, remember that F11 is both your entrance and your exit. A few quick notes to make this smoother. If pressing F11 doesn't seem to do anything, make sure the browser window is active by clicking anywhere inside the page. Then try F11 again. On some laptops, the function keys double as media or brightness controls. In that case, you may need to hold the FN key while pressing F11. If your keyboard has an F lock or a function toggle, turn it on so the F keys work as intended. External keyboards usually send F11 directly, so the toggle should work immediately. When you're in full screen, Chrome hides the top UI on purpose. If you move your mouse to the very top edge, some systems will briefly reveal a small bar to remind you you're in full screen, but don't rely on that. The fastest and most consistent way out is pressing F11 again. Also keep in mind, we're talking about Chrome's full screen mode here. If a website or video player has its own full screen button, that's separate. Using F11 is still the quickest way to enter or leave Chrome's full screen specifically. To recap the flow you'll use every day, open Chrome and go to a page, press F11 to enter full screen, and press F11 again to exit. Once you get used to that toggle, leaving full screen becomes instant and frustration-free.